The time value of money, TVM, is a fundamental financial principle that states money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its potential earning capacity. This concept is essential for valuing investments, loans, and cash flows as it reflects the opportunity cost of money over time. Present value, or PV, is the current value of a future sum of money or stream of cash flows discounted at a specific interest rate. It helps determine the value today of money to be received in the future. Future value, or FV, is the value of a current sum of money at a future date, based on an assumed rate of growth or interest. This concept helps project the value of an investment or savings over time. Let's calculate the present value, or PV, and future value, or FV, of an investment. Suppose we expect to receive $10,000 in 3 years with an interest rate of 5%. Using the PV formula, we find it is $8,640.61. Conversely, if we start with $8,640.61 today, it will grow to $10,000 in 3 years. Using Python and the NumPy library, we can easily perform PV and FV calculations. We define functions calculate_PV and calculate_FV to compute the present value and future value, respectively. Given a future value of $10,000, an interest rate of 5%, and a period of 3 years, we calculate the present value to be $8,640.61. Conversely, the future value of $8,640.61 invested today will be $10,000 in 3 years. The time value of money, TVM, is a crucial financial concept stating that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Present value, PV, calculates the current value of future money, while future value, FV, projects the future value of current money. Python can be effectively used to perform these calculations and visualize the results, enhancing the analysis and understanding of financial data.